Hey feds, someone recently asked, how do I change contribution in my TSP? Well, the way to do that is through your employee portal. And different agencies use different portals. So whatever it is for you, you need to go in and figure out how to do that. But when you're in there, you can either do it with a percentage. For example, a percentage of your salary will be put into your TSP, or you do a dollar amount. Now, the cool thing about a percentage by doing that, by saying I want, let's say 5% of my salary to go into my TSP, is that with a percentage, when you get a raise, it takes that much percentage of the raise and puts it in automatically as well. In fact, I might even suggest when you get a step increase or a raise or something like that, that you continue to live where you're living, if you can, continue to living the lifestyle you're living, and take all that extra and just put it into your TSP. Pretend it didn't even happen, just put it in there. So that way, when you go to retire, you really don't need to worry because you're bringing in enough money. Little tips and tricks like that all over the place when we do our workshops. Come join us.